Profit Automation Masterclass. How Top Earners Automate Income. Dr. Charles Edrims. What if your income didn't stop when you stopped working? What if your business could make money automatically? Welcome to the Profit Automation Masterclass with Dr. Charles Edrims, where you'll discover how top earners automate income instead of working harder every day. Most people hustle non-stop, chasing money that never stays. They work longer hours, yet earn the same results. Top earners do the opposite. They build systems that work for them. In this masterclass, Dr. Charles Edrims reveals how to turn your business into an automated profit machine. From smart income systems to tools that generate sales, leads, and cash flow 24/7. No guesswork, no burnout, just proven automation strategies. If you're ready to stop chasing money and start building automated income, this Profit Automation Masterclass is for you. Click the link in the description below right now to sign up for the free Profit Automation Masterclass with Dr. Charles Edrims. Seats are limited, and once they're filled, registration will close, so don't wait. Take one step today toward the future you deserve. Click the link below now to watch the free webinar and secure your free spot now. Best of luck.